Today, I'll guide you through finding your Twilio credentials, essential for integrating Twilio services into your apps or projects. First, log into your Twilio console at consoletwilio.com. Once you're on the dashboard, focus on the account info section near the top. Here, you'll find two crucial pieces of information: your account SID and Auth Token. Your account SID always starts with AC and uniquely identifies your Twilio account. The Auth Token acts like a password for API requests and is hidden by default. Click the eye icon next to it to reveal it when needed. With these credentials, you can securely connect your apps to Twilio services, send messages, manage numbers, and more. Keep them safe and accessible, and you're all set to start integrating